What's up guys, my name is Aryan, you guys can call me Ari Bubba, and I wanted to introduce you guys to my channel. I'll be talking a lot about PCs, tech content, and new hardware coming out. And to be honest with you guys, I've been in love with computers since I was a little kid. I've always been working on my parents' computers, opening them up, changing memory, doing all that good stuff. And up until 10 years ago, I didn't really know how to build my own PC. I started building them and I started loving them. And to be honest guys, I've always had pre-built gaming PCs, from Alienware to Dell machines. And one day I just thought to myself, why not build my own PC? And trust me guys, I've had CPUs not work. I've had liquid cooling issues to the point where my girlfriend got so pissed off and fed up. But eventually I learned and everything went smoothly. And guys, it's the best thing. Nothing is more enjoyable than building your own PC, gaming on it, doing your editing, anything you want to do, you can do it, right? And I mean, look, I had friends that told me, hey Ari, you talk a lot about PCs and I see you're so interested in them, why don't you do videos? And I thought to myself, that's a great idea. Maybe I should do those kind of things. So here I am, and I'm going to be taking you guys on an adventure, showing you guys my PC rigs, my build vlogs, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Oh, one more thing. I'm building a new PC in the coming week. It's going to be a Lian Li DK05 FX case, which is a desk PC, and let me tell you guys, I love desk PCs. Ever since I've seen a desk PC, I've been in love with them. It's just something that like kind of makes my heart melt, something like a drip drip type of thing, right? So I'll be taking you guys on that adventure, and that video will be coming up soon. But for the meantime, before I start that video, I'm gonna show you guys my PC, my gaming rig. This thing over here is a beast, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what this PC has under the hood and what it can do. Alright guys, so here's my PC. Here's the beast of a machine that I use throughout my day, and I love it guys. It's inside this Corsair 1000D Super Tower case. I've had small form factor cases, I've had mid tower cases, I've had full tower cases, and look, as much as those cases are good, and I'll probably use them again in the future, but with this Super Tower case, I'm able to fit all my water cooling components inside this case and still have enough room to add more components in here without any kind of trouble or any kind of issues. The motherboard is an X299 Asus ROG Rampage 6 Extreme Encore Edition. The CPU is an Intel i9-10900X. Great CPU, I overclock it, and guys, like this thing, I put on anything in here, it runs fast. The graphics cards, I have two RTX 2080 Ti's, water cooled, they're an SLI. Games, as far as games go, I've had no issues with 4K games with high settings, sometimes even ultra settings. They run really smooth. For the water cooling stuff, I got two radiators. They're 480 mil. Those support the GPUs, and I got one 360 mil that supports the CPU. I got 24 Corsair fans, so my fans are running in push-pull configuration, and I feel like that's the way to go, really, to be honest with you guys. For the GPU, the block is an XG9, and it's a great GPU block. For the CPU, it's an XC7, and then for the two pumps, I have an XD5. This is my first time really, messing around with Corsair's water cooling stuff. I had to try it out, and I have not been disappointed yet. So now, don't get me wrong, EK is great, and I still to this day buy EK products, but I had to try this out, and I'm not disappointed whatsoever. As far as storage goes, guys, inside this bad boy, I have two M.2s. One is a 512 that I use specifically for booting. The second one is a 1 terabyte. I put some games on that, but I also have two mechanical drives that I use for gaming and my files, and I haven't even got close to run out, but maybe eventually in the future I'll throw another M.2 in here, maybe a 2 terabyte, just so I can kind of feel like this thing is not going to be upgraded for a good minute, right? But yeah, this is the PC. I even got the Joker down there because this is his realm, so don't mess with him. He protects this PC, and yeah guys. Alright guys, so that was my PC, that was my beast, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be coming out with more videos soon, and I'll also be definitely making that video on that Lian Li desk DK05 FX. Be taking you guys on that adventure with me, and I hope you guys like this video. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. toss a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.